Okay, so the cat's growling at the ground because it eats food. Hold on.
It was so cute because I picked her up and then she was holding onto her food.
Dude, look at its eyes.
Oh my gosh. She's staring at the camera like, are you going to take my food?
Eat it.
There's a freaking... You want to see something?
Dang!
That's how Emma is, too. Dad took your food away.
She's like, what's going on?
Hannah, come here. Your cat is growling at me, even though she's eating off of my hand. Growling.
Okay, take it away.
What is that?
It's beef. She freaking loves this thing. She's not going to be eating in 2 weeks because of this.
Okay, what did you want me to see, Hannah?
He said I'm hot too.
Am I hot? She took a piece of your thing.
She does it when she leaves. She's like, I'm full.
Nope, she's not done yet.
She's like, there's more? I thought that was all done.
Are my boobies in this?
Okay, let's get the rest of Chancho and see what she does.
Oh my god, no.
Put her on the ground.
No!
Give it to me. It's my food. Or her food.
Okay,
put her down. Put it down.
Wait, let her...
Wait!
What? Chancho.
Chancho! Oh, put it at the same...
He's eating your food.
It's like, what the fuck? It's fudge.
Chancho took it all. Come on, give her more. Why humans like beef? I'm sorry I sat on you, Chancho. It's opposite.
She's like, yeah, I get the big piece. That's right. Uh-oh.
No, she was holding it when I picked her up. Like, I picked her up like this, right? And then her paw was out like that, and she was holding it. Now she's purring. You were growling at me earlier, now you're purring?
She's like, don't you dare take my food, mister. Or Mrs. Missy.
Look at Chancho, he's like, I want it so bad.
Here, Chancho. There you go, you guys get food.
You guys are humans, too.
You guys want chocolate?
No! Let's give him ice cream. Mikey just came.
Are you gonna put this on Facebook? Yes. Okay.
I can't. My phone won't let me. I'll put it on YouTube and not put it on Facebook. Aww. She's so cute. And then you look at me. You want to see what? No.
Oh my god, I got that.
The cops are after me anyways. Oh my god, yes they are. No they're not.
Dog number one.
You know what? Someone could have stepped on this piece of glass right here.
But yeah, I saved you guys all. Oh, never mind.
No, because I'm going to be the one stepping on it, because I always go here for ice cream.
My beautiful ice cream.
My beautiful eye. Oh, look at her. She's licking herself.